p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Avon to Vermont, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenton, Lewistown, Farmington, Cuba, Avon, St. David, Fairview, London Mills, Dunfermline, Smithfield, Bryant, Doris, Banner, Marietta, Ellisville, Fayette, Little America, and Middle Grove.